Welcome guys, Screenbox back again on a reaction video. You see me? There with the boy.
Marco D, you don't know?
You don't know the things that already, you see me? So, we're jumping at this, we're not take too long with it, you see me? We're jumping at Cadet Stereotype, you see me? Somebody request this, you see me? Them say a two brother, they must have dead, you see me? Them dead what day? February last month. They must have crashed on dead, you see me? So them say I'm a very talented youth. UK, you don't know about UK rapping and like that. Oh. Well guys, him not used to UK rapping, you see me? Me and Weasel would have react a couple, you see me? So him just get introduced to the UK scene. Him new to everything, you see me? So like, share, comment and subscribe. Any other reaction or link down in the comments here down below, you see me? I begin right about now.
Look, I grew up on south of the Thames. So yeah man, I know about a stereotype, a screw face and a gold tooth. Nah mummy, I ain't gonna be those guys. I'm gonna be a lawyer when I'm older. Bullshit, I'm gonna live a life so nice. But now, look at all this gold in my mouth. It's fucked how I be the stereotype. I never finished college, never went uni. I've sold drugs and my credit so bad. I cheat too, I kinda like beef, and I've probably been in about 6 gangs. I like lighties, I like jewelry, and most of my man them have been jail me. I've got girls pregnant that I never loved, so I could have been a baby father as well. I got Gucci belts.
To the next thing too. The UK based rapping thing, it have an influence of African and the Caribbean and everything. So if you hear them sound Jamaican or anything like that, because them have the influence, you know what I mean?
I'm Muslim, and I rap like every other black boy up in the country. I ain't gonna rob nobody, believe me, real shit. I just think now hoodies are comfy. I want a sleeve tap, I drink Henny, and most of the pussy I get don't bring joy. And if Rick Ross start drinking piss, I'll be in the club like we piss boys. I got no reason for not checking my nan. And when she dies, I'm gonna kick myself because what she really wants is a phone call. But I don't do it, I admit that I'm a prick myself. You see, I fucked around with girls' emotions, and I've been the slut that I admitted to. And a bag of times when I pay on card, I ain't been too sure if it's going through. And my hairline's fucked and I can't make friends, yeah. That sums me up in some words, and besides that, you got my mum. God knows she don't get the love she deserves, and no, I ain't been the best son. And no excuse that I give is a good enough reason for me just to feel like she's a part of my life, or just to see if I've eaten. And yeah, it was fucked how I treat my mum, and them choices that I made are dumb. But still, she'll stand up in front of a crowd of people and be like, he's my son. Mummy carried me for 9 months. That's 9 months. It took 9 months for me to pop out, but I can't find 10 minutes and pop in. It's fucked. How did I get disrespectful? How can I drive past the house 10 times in a day or not once go in and check you? Not ask once if your day's been stressful. Then you just...
The man say, what I like about his mother, like
it's a life story.
It's like a life story.
Yeah,
like a life story.
Sad, you know,
it's kind of sad, you see me?
Yeah.
Well, you catch up there, man, say, okay, you have pit like that, man, you see me? Really. You know the things. You know
I'm there when they came to rescue, it's fucked. I haven't got the time to text you, but I got the time for the girls online that's sexual. And I know them bills are piling up, and you won't admit it, but I'm letting you down. And I remember when I got my car, I said you won't ever have to put your foot on the ground. I know you got the lines in your fingers, cause you wouldn't bought bare shit that's weighing the bag down. I should at least call a car and cab around. It hurts now I can hear the bus in the background. I'm slacking as a son and I know this. I ain't doing half of the shit I'm supposed to. I got a little brother that I never check. I meant to go through all of the shit that you go through, and you're meant to be my queen. I'm out here treating you like a jester, bringing gifts not only in December, but honestly, birthdays I can barely remember. And when it comes to money, I'm fucked, yeah, trust me, I know. See, I hate asking her for money, but when I do, alright, cool, look, here's how it normally goes. Your mummy, I need some money. She'll say, cool, then go cash point on the road and take out money that she don't really have, but she loves me way too much. She's saying no. You see, I almost cried when I wrote this, because I picture my mum walking through the door with a fake smile giving me the cash to say she loves me way too much. She's saying no. Now I know my need ain't greater, but now I can't say no or another, cause she says being able to provide for her son is what makes her feel like a mother, and she won't take the money back. So how the fuck am I meant to feel? Cause now I got money for bullshit, but that might mean she has to go skip a meal when it comes to my little brother Dylan, I'm slipping. See me, I never make time with him, but the truth is that boy means everything to me. See, that boy is my rhythm, the simple shit. Yeah, my mum would say go tell him off cause he ain't done all the dishes, but I'm thinking like, if I ain't been around, then why the fuck would he listen? Shit. Look, I've become that stereotypical, that big bro that will buy you all the trainers, but won't sit and cool, so niggerish. For blacks, that typical issue. You know, I'll buy you football boots, but never find time to kick the ball with you. So now I gotta switch up. I gotta care a little less about getting my dicks up. Make sure the next time mum phone rings, she ain't gotta think twice about debts before she picks up music. Look, you have to work, and if you don't, then I don't know, because I'm man enough to tell you now that I don't really wanna go back to the road. You see, them niggas rap for a new chain. Don't get it twisted, I'll wear one, but that shit will come after all them bills are paid, and I can say, yo, go get your hair done. Everyone talks about stereotypes, but no one admits to the stereotype, so fuck it, I'll put my hands up. Look, on some bullshit, I be the stereotype, had a wife that was good for me, that I never should have let go. I be the stereotype, that nigga with a nice car, but driving it to his mum's house. I be the stereotype, I got an ex named Tanisha and Felicia. Bullshit, I be the stereotypes, my credit so shit, I can only get cash cards, nigga. I be the stereotype that pay taxes, but too embarrassed to sign on, yeah. I be the stereotype that spend my last peas on clothes, look good but broke, yeah. I be the stereotype, probably in a girl's friend zone right now, just waiting to fuck that stereotype. I tell my young G, stay out of trouble, but then catch a case that stereotype, and I pray my daughter's never a hoe. But yeah, I love Jay-Z's the stereotype, and I feel embarrassed when I'm around Muslims that I want deen. That stereotype, and the worst one is never see a man get stabbed on the ends on that war and shit, and the feds ask me to help out and bring justice. Me, I say I never saw that shit, but if my house got burgled, or a white man shot my nan in public, and the feds never helped me out, I'll be the first one screaming, where's the justice? I am that typical nigga.
No, yeah, sorry, I have a stop it there, sir. I have a stop it for something there. Everything the man has spit are facts. You know what man say? If you kill a man like this, and you go to something, they might call you a snitch. Right. But if somebody rob you, and the police them not help you, they might say, what is justice? Everything the man has spit my where am I trying to say? Well, hold it there. It's soothing, cause
I am trying to put a good stereotype here. I am that nigga with a bop in his step here. I am cadet. I know who I am. That stereotype. Yeah, that's it.
Alright guys, that's at the end of the video. You see, we're not telling like this I don't forget hyper or read. This is something you have to listen and relax and make, because what the man is speaking are facts.
Every single thing
the man say are facts.
In that last line a while ago, when we get out there, you know, like in time I see a gangster dead.
Yeah.
And everybody about and I say, oh, on good youth.
Get great example.
At the same time, you know
themselves
people kill and where is it?
Yeah.
I just stream dead now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I paint a proper picture.
Yeah, for
so
real.
If a man comes and you see a man dead, and if you talk and you not talk, the reason why they must say you not talk because he's a snitch. But if your house get broken up and you not get no result at all, they might go say, oh, where is the justice of that?
Yeah, where is the justice? Because guess what?
Are you are the victim now, so you need justice, but you never preach justice to another one.
Another man. The man said something like, when you're not spending time with your brother or with your family, you buy them presents, same thing to play with it. You buy them like a bar. You buy them boots when you buy the ball to spend time with him. So you like, you know, buy them gifts to say, yo, you buy the things, you know, did it.
Just like you tell a man, a full woman and one bag of
Jane and Julie, and still sad.
Because you know they are around for
yeah, them things are full of art. But no. You see me? Yo, I'm not gonna lie.
But they are bad, man.
This is like a real life. That's a real
life story.
Because we can't even see it and say, oh, this happened in our life.
Just a stereotype.
Just a stereotype. And him say I'm a Muslim, even though I'm black. We can't be any race and be Muslim, that's the thing. So he must say to him black, and him say if him there on him Muslim brother and him probably not act like him a Muslim. Just through the stereotype. But look at him dead, isn't he?
Oh, back to that, I'm dead.
The person say I must a car crash. I don't know if the two of them him say, but the think of the two of them the person say. Say at the brother them, you see me? Last month them dead now, car accident, you see me? I want to say, since the day I get it, the person, I know y'all watch the video right now. I use send me the request, y'all watch it right now. Today I get it, I say, yo, you know what? This one very interesting, I have to react to it today, and I hit me out today, you see me? Big up yourself, you. Oh.
It was a great video, now like.
Yeah, great video. And this time first, UK, they have an idea, say, if they made them have the influence of R&B, Jamaican influence, African influence. Musical mix, you see me? So, you see me? Alright guys, peace out.